Again, powder puffs coming up in the next class. We got to have Kristen Kololowski lined up, Christina Lanny, and Tina Kinder. That's the lineup for the first three. Julie's backed up to the sled, getting the hook in. We got to wait for the green bling. Looks like we got the track cleared. I want to hear everybody root Julie on here in Edgerton local, and also my sister. So we got to keep her going on. All right, Ford fans, where are you at? Oh, there we go. All right.